Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable Always On Display on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to dive to the settings. Then, on the left part of your screen, scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Lock Screen and AOD. Here you can see this function, Always On Display. To enable or disable this function, simply click on this slider. If it's blue, it's enabled. If it's gray, it's disabled. And also we have an option to manage it by clicking on the name of this function. For example, if we will enable this function, we can also choose if we want to show music information or not. And the last thing that we can manage here is when to show. It says show a clock and notifications when your phone isn't in use. We have options as tap to show, auto, always, as scheduled, or for new notification. I have chosen tap to show, and now let's test it. I will turn off my phone and simply one time tap on the screen, and you can see the time and notifications. If we will double tap, we will wake up the screen totally. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.